This is how to trade in MetaTrader without using USD but using any currency we like. And in this video I want to give an example of how I trade using one of my favorite currencies, ZAR. But not all brokers provide many currency options. That's why I choose to trade with Exness, guys. You can see here there are so many currency options for trading besides USD. So many, right? Okay, let's get straight to it. Just follow my way so you can immediately trade using the currency of your choice. The first step, register Exness. In this first step, just click the Exness link I already prepared in the description. Then click the register button. Fill in country, email, then password. The password must be a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click partner code and fill in with the code UU1IRT34. UU1IRT34. This is for you become my client. I give a lot of facilities to my clients, guys, such as free trading consultation, trading signals, rebate bonus, and many more. Reach me on Instagram at UD4X and tell me which service you want. Later we will talk further there. After all the data here is filled in, click continue. When you see a pop-up like this, click real account. The next step is account verification. Usually there will be a comment to complete the profile like this after you register. Just click it if you see this. Click complete profile. But if you don't find that comment, you can access it from here. Click the three lines on the top left. Click settings, then click profile. There you will see verification status. Scroll down and click complete now. Click the start now button to complete verification. Make sure until you upload your identity card, guys, because if you haven't done it, you cannot withdraw your profit later. After the account is verified, it's time we move to the third step, adding a ZAR account. After you log in, please click the Exness logo on top here so that you are on your personal area home. Click this open account button. I want to tell you guys that all types of Exness accounts can be made into ZAR balance except for Send account. In Send there is no ZAR option. And for this example, I will create a standard account type. Now it's already in the standard tab. Just scroll down and click continue. Make sure the top one here is in the real column. Now in the currency column is where you will make your account into a ZAR account. Click there, then type ZAR, and there it is. Fill in all the data as well, then click create account. Remember, password must be a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Now your ZAR account is ready, guys. The fourth step is connecting the ZAR account to MT5. From your ZAR account, click more, then click account information. This is your MT5 account data. Let's connect it right away. Open MT5. If on iOS, click settings. If on Android, click the three lines on the top left. Then click new account. In this search, type Exness and choose the Exness Technologies Ltd. Then enter your ZAR account data here. Make sure it matches. The first one is server. You click the server column here, then choose the server that matches your account data. Next, copy and paste the login number. Then fill in the password. If everything is filled in, click sign in. Now your ZAR account has successfully connected to MT5. The last step is to make a deposit. Because of the new rule from MT5, trading accounts won't be active if not yet deposited. Still from Exness personal area. Look again for your ZAR account and click deposit. Choose the deposit method you want. Don't worry, guys, because at Exness there are so many payment methods available. The deposit and withdrawal process at Exness is very fast, guys, even instant. You can prove it yourself. In my country, only 1 minute and the funds are directly landed in my bank. After you finish transferring the money, the fund will immediately go into your ZAR account. And congratulations, now you can trade using a ZAR account because you already registered with the right broker, Exness. Is there still anything unclear or do you have any difficulties, guys? Don't be shy to ask in the comment. I will reply later. I hope this video is useful and please leave a subscribe, guys, so I will be more motivated to give education here. Until next time.